Okay, community, I'm going to show you how to clip in the different samples in your hair. So I'm natural and I am type 4. I do dye my hair jet black, so my samples are going to be black. And I just want to show you that this hair can be color treated. So if you dye your hair, then you will dye your samples. And so that's another really good thing about TextureMatch is when you get your samples, if you color treat your hair, you can color treat your samples and see how it blends in with your hair. Now, let's get started. So I clipped in my Kinky coarse sample. Kinky coarse matches with my hair the best with the least amount of heat. Remember, all hair can be heat styled. Your hair can blend with any of the 6 textures that we sell. But the purpose is for your hair to be healthiest, you need to use the least amount of heat. Because I'm type 4, the Kinky coarse best matches my hair with the least amount of heat. But I can also straighten my Kinky coarse and get it as straight as I want. But again, with the least amount of heat, I'm gonna go with Kinky coarse. So now I have clipped in the natural coarse, which is a little less textured than the Kinky coarse. Even though I'm type 4, I can still use natural coarse, but I know typically natural coarse when I am heat styling will require a little more heat to my hair, but I'm just gonna show clipping it in. So when you see it, these are both been air dried. So this is the natural coarse, here's the Kinky coarse. You can see that the Kinky coarse is tighter than the natural coarse. So I have both of them in, and I'm gonna show you where the difference comes in with me heat styling my hair. Okay, so I've clipped in a sample of Kinky coarse and a sample of natural coarse. And both of them can blend in with my hair when I am heat styling with a flat iron. They both were flat iron on the same heat setting, but keep in mind with the Kinky coarse texture, if you want to use less heat, you're going to get a better blend because it matches your hair better. The Kinky coarse for me is a tighter texture, and since my hair is a tighter texture, that's why it's always going to match better than using the natural coarse. But can you use both? And I wanna clarify, it depends on, all hair type 4 is not the same. So this is just my hair type 4. But all of the textures can blend in with your hair. It's just the amount of heat that you are comfortable with putting on your natural hair. So now I'm gonna show you the not so nappy texture and the natural straight texture. Okay, so now I am clipping in the not so nappy texture, and you guys can tell that there is a difference between not so nappy and Kinky coarse just by me putting it in my hair. And I am looking up at myself while I clip this in. So my hair has already had a pass through with heat, just one. But if you, let me uncover my hair. If you remember what Kinky coarse looked like, just clipped in my hair with no heat, was a much better blend with my hair than the Not So Nappy. It's not to say that Not So Nappy cannot blend in with my hair, it can. It's only when I use heat. Can Not So Nappy blend in with type 4 hair? Absolutely. You just gotta add heat to your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the natural straight. Okay, so now I have my natural straight texture clipped in. And again, this is why natural straight blends in better because my hair is already heat styled. So you can also see that the natural straight texture just comes straight. It doesn't come like Not So Nappy, although it can look like it, but that's because natural straight hair is already hair that's straight. So when you're thinking about natural straight texture, think about hair that is already relaxed or silk pressed. It's already heat styled. And so with natural straight, the heat is already baked into the hair. Now I'm gonna flat iron it. I still get questions 7 years later, can you curl the hair? And you absolutely can, because this is human hair. So of course you can curl the extensions. Hair extensions can do whatever your natural hair does. You wanna know why? Because they're made from human hair.